The device next to me is Mether Dual System Refrigerator, mainly used to store vaccine reagents and drugs. The freezing temperature is 2 to 8 degrees. The medicine case has a 7-inch LCD screen. With Android operating system, intuitive touchscreen operation. There are many ways to open doors. You can log in through your account, swipe your card and fingerprint to open the door. To ensure the safety of internal drugs, the refrigerator built-in upper temperature display sensor, 5 sensors, including the ambient temperature sensor. The accuracy is 0.1 degree. According customer as need, this two-system refrigerator has 4 new layers of plastic mesh frame drawers compared to the traditional refrigerator. Just open the drawer to access the medicine. It also has Internet of Things function. Users can log in with user account on the computer or small program on the mobile phone to realize the function of remote monitoring products. The operation data of the refrigerator can be passed standard USB port export. You can also log in through the computer. To download the temperature data,